Hello, virtual assistants. It's Kim Shivler. Welcome back. We are in the process of building blog posts. And one of the things blog posts have is what's called a featured image. So this is where, let's see, let me go look at a couple of different websites. So if I go look at this website, this is mine on WordPress. See, these are the featured images. So when they show up in a listing, you're going to see it, and that's a featured image. So we want to learn to create a featured image to add it to a blog post. So this is my blog post. I've got to add a featured image. Now, for me personally, I have two types of featured images. One is kind of like this, where I kind of have, they're mainly text-based, or maybe there's one screen grab down here, you see. Or if you look at one of my general business sites, you'll see that these have more, I'm getting these out of what's called stock photography, and then I'm editing them as we go. So for example, here, I took a stock photo and I added some text to it. So a little bit depends on what we are doing. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and stick with just a basic text info post so that we can do it kind of quickly. I'm coming back to PicMonkey, and you all know PicMonkey is where I edit most of my videos. I'm going to come back here I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to come here under Post Featured Images. And I'm going to select one of these as my template. Now, again, when we teach you how to make things in PicMonkey, you'll see how to do it by scratch. You'll see how to add other information. But for right now, we're going to go pretty simple. Also know that if you are working with a customer and they don't have this set up, you need to know what they need as their featured image size. So mine is 300 by 300 for my blog's featured image. But if you're going to create featured images for people, and they don't have a template like this, you need to know their size. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and edit a copy. And I'm naming the copy Ignito View. But I'm going to just name it for now. And then I'm going to do, so I've got the how-to here. I'm going to put how to use incognito. Now I could put how to use it for one thing or the other, all this different stuff. And then did you notice it went way out here? So I grabbed it and I dragged it. And we're just going to name this one how to use incognito. That works for me. At this point, if you watch the thumbnail, you'll understand what's about to happen. I got to download this. Now my PNG is 65. I have a feeling that's probably the best deal. Yeah. So I'm going to just go ahead and stick with my PNG image and download that. Now that's going to download down here to my hard drive, where I can now configure it to upload it and use it as my featured image. That is the very, very basics of using a template to create a featured image. I'm Kim Shivler. I'll see you next time. Bye.